pretty much general tutor things. As you all know, we have started LeetCode 50 SQL series where you'll be solving 50 SQL problems that will help you to crack any SQL interviews. So let's get started. We have already solved so many problems. So now we are in the project employees problem, which is related to basic aggregate functions related problems. So problem number is 1075. Project employees 1. So we will be in the schema where we will be having a project table where we will be having project columns of project ID and employee ID. Both are integer type. The combination of these two act as the primary key of this table. Employee ID is a foreign key to the employee table. We have one more employee table. Each row of this table indicates the employee with employee ID and working on which project with that project ID is there. In employee table, employee ID and number of years experience he have experience in is an integer and it's of int type where employee ID is an int type and name of that employee is also there in the varchar in employee table information. Employee is a primary key of this table. It's guaranteed that experience is not null. So this is a not null. We have a constraint here in this employee years. The number of years he has employed is not null here. They are telling that it is guaranteed. Each row of this table contain information about one employee. Information will be here in the employee table. What they're asking us to write report that list of average experience years of all the employees for each project. For each and every project, that is each and every project is nothing but we have to get project related data everything. So that is left join we have to use, that thing is clear. And average experience we have to use aggregate function average here. Average is nothing but sum of experiences by total number of experience, that is average experience directly here we can take. So as the experience years they have given, not every year we have no need to take everything average and everything. Average aggregate function is enough here for all the employees for each project. All the employees for each project is nothing but we have to do left join only. Okay, so group by project ID. Mm, so yeah. And any order they are asking about. Let's see those examples so that you'll understand better. Project IDs are 11122. Here are the employees. In employee table, we have employees 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing. Here, see, reputation is the first employee which worked in project 1 also and project 2 also. So, years experience we have given employee table, 3 years experience first employee, 2 years experience for second employee and everything. So, we need all project details. So, project IDs will be there and average years they are asking. So if we group with project IDs, there are only one or two projects only there, one and two. So employees worked on one and two are these employees, one, two, three, four employees working in those projects only. Mm. So first project we worked on one to three employees worked. So average of those employees worked one to three employees worked 3 years plus 2 years plus 1 year, right? So these three people worked on first project. So one 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 3 plus 3 6 by 2, that is 3 years, right? 6 by 3, right? 3 persons, it's not 6 by 2. The total number of employees, right? Sum of experience is the total number of employees that we'll get average, direct average of experience years of these three employees. That is 2, right? 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 3 is that is 2. And for second project, who are having is 1 and 4 employees. So 1 and 4 employees, 3 plus 2 again 5, 5 by 2, that is 2.50. These are the average of those kind of thing. You understood, right, what they are actually asking and what we have understood. So now let's write the same in the query format. Let me have a simple select here and we'll decide later onwards. First let's make a join. So what we have to join, we have to join first project table. Let me have project here, which is P. You can use as or directly you can give. And then we have to do here is a left join from this table and employee table. On what condition we have to join? We have to join in condition. The thing we have here is a foreign key and primary connection on employee ID. So that thing we have to use. So now what they are asking is two things. They are asking us in the resultant table, that is project ID for each and every project, that is nothing but project ID and the what we have average of the experience years, as early as name what they want average years. Project ID is in the P table, okay. And now we want average of experience years as this alias name. Average of experience years we can take directly, as no need to have experience of those divided with number of years experience. We can have directly I'll get function average. So now extra thing what they're asking us to have here is rounding kind of thing, right? Rounded to two digits, we can just round up this round to two digits. That thing is fine. This will make sure that it is rounded to two. Okay. So now what you have did till now you have understood, right? We have just rounded and get average experiences, average years on doing left join. And one more thing which we have to do here is we have to group by project ID. Okay. So whenever you are using aggregate function, we should remember that the group by will come. So we have to group by project ID only. Then only we can have the average of those employees only. Okay. Grouping by project ID will get the correct result. Okay. Then I'm just submitting this. So this is accepted. All the test cases have passed. I hope you have understood right what we have done here. We just simple left join on the condition in both the tables, and then we have to use aggregate function average. So we are grouping by project ID, and then rounding up to two decimals. So that's all for this video. Project employees is problem solving. Next problem will be going to the percentage of users at a constant concept. So context and that's all for this video. I hope you have understood. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.